Guys, we're going to talk about Bitcoin today. A huge move could be coming. I hope I've got your attention already because a spot Bitcoin ETF could be imminent and on its way. This week is going to be a humongous week in the crypto space. So let's quickly update ourselves with everything Bitcoin because this is what, of course, controls the market. We've got some huge regulations, and with these spot Bitcoin ETFs potentially being approved, it could be the catalyst for billions, maybe even trillions in the next few decades of money flowing into the crypto space. So let's check it out together. We've got 43.86k Bitcoin, guys, and look, this is just insane. We're seeing this consolidation in this ascending channel pattern right here, where Bitcoin ETFs is going to be everything. Bitcoin ETFs will be the thing that gets Bitcoin to break through 46k and up to that $50,000 region. So if it does happen soon, and if we do get the news that we're waiting for, we could see a huge pump to the upside. But of course, if we get more delays, more FUD, things like this, then it's never ruled out that we could potentially still see a 38k Bitcoin if we lose this key support at 41.5k. So we're just waiting, really. It's just a waiting game. The market is in a bit of a pause. People are just anticipating something huge to happen, and this is really exciting. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that sub button right there. That really helps, and also give us a little like. So we can see Bitcoin has currently an $859 billion market cap, and over the last month, to be fair, last year, sorry, to be fair, it's been absolutely wild. 2023 was a great month for cryptocurrency, and I really think 2024 will also be a really good month. We can see on the month right here, bit volatile, but all this is still being tied to the fundamentals that we have, which is, of course, the Bitcoin ETFs, but also the Bitcoin halving, which is only 131 days away. And we know that 6 months post-halving, write this down, I really think November, December, January of 2025, but also November, December of 2024, we're going to see Bitcoin pricing around $90,000 to $150,000. If you like the sound of that, subscribe and we'll watch it happen together. But I'm very sure that Q4 of 2024 is going to be really bullish. Anyhow, let's move into some news. SEC reissues crypto FOMO warning amid hope for spot Bitcoin ETFs. So social media users have pointed out that the regulators no-go to FOMO warning comes amid heightened anticipation over spot Bitcoin ETF approvals because people are getting extremely bullish. So I think they're warning people not to sort of like jump in or something. But you can see, look, the US SEC has reissued a warning about FOMO crypto investing just ahead of us, because in the next few days we're going to see a lot of craziness happen and people will be likely to FOMO in. That is just what happens, and that's, you can't change human psychology. It's the way we are put together, fear and greed, la-di-da-di-da. It says several users across social media theorized the report could suggest the SEC will soon approve one or more spot Bitcoin ETFs that are currently awaiting a decision sometime before January 10 deadline. And this is the post right here from the SEC just a few days ago. So they're putting out these sort of like big disclaimers saying, don't FOMO in, basically. Just because it's happening doesn't mean you have to take a financial risk for yourself. So because they're putting these signs out there, is it actually a low-key kind of hidden meaning? Is there something else behind this? Are they going to approve the Bitcoin ETFs? This could be wild if they do. What else is there? We can actually see, look, if a Bitcoin ETF is approved, here's what may happen. The SEC is on the brink of approving the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the US after 10 years of failed applications. This is going to be huge for institutional money, for stock money, and just for a global perspective. Like, this is going to be really bullish for cryptocurrency. People are no longer going to say, oh, it's a scam, oh, it's a scam. If the SEC can approve this, this is a massive milestone for the cryptocurrency space. So scroll down a bit. Opinions on what will happen in the crypto market if approval is granted are mixed. Garbar Gerbax, the director of digital asset strategy at VanEck, said that while a spot ETF will create trillions in value over the long term, people tend to overestimate the initial impact of US Bitcoin ETFs, and initial flows will equal only a few $100 million of mostly recycled money. Other analysts say approval will require ETF issuers to purchase tens of billions of Bitcoin in dollars worth to satisfy the institutional demand, leading to a radical shift in the supply and demand dynamics. Some analysts even predict a supply shock. After exchange balances fell to a 5-year low in October, A lack of Bitcoin on exchanges suggests holders are storing it in their personal wallets, a sign they're less inclined to sell. So yeah, you can like store your crypto offline, and even people can sell and buy crypto away from exchanges, you know, just sending privately, not going through the order books. This won't, of course, create a shock on the price. Analysis of flows into the SPDR Gold Shares ETF, the first spot gold ETF in the US, which debuted in 2004, is informative. GLD amassed 1.9 billion in inflation-adjusted terms in its first 4 weeks, with the tally rising to 4.8 billion by the end of the first year. The ETF currently has 57.37 billion in total assets. There's another thing to look at. Now, looking at the overall sentiment of the market, you know, technicals aside, we can see it's been a strong month. And there are still a bunch of awesome projects that are up massively. You've got like Say, ICP, Optimism, Osmo. But looking at the day, it's actually quite a red day. So people are getting a bit like maybe bored. But I think overall people are seriously holding their bags right now. We're not seeing the big drop like we thought we would, which is fantastic to see. And I'm feeling overall bullish here. We can see on the hour, again, mixed emotions in the cryptocurrency markets. We are sitting at a $1.63 trillion industry right now, but there's definitely space for the upside. So something big is going to happen, whether it's up or down. I do have my eyes on a $50,000 Bitcoin, but you know, there's going to be a lot of resistance there. And once it gets there, it could easily fold once again. If you're also new here to the crypto markets, or whether you're experienced and you want to access over 500 trading signals per month, as well as early access to pre-sales, white listings, and also find out and discover about gems in the crypto markets, for example, like Sponge V2, which just did a 7x after our call, you can become a crypto legend, a crypto champion, crypto warrior, or even a crypto hunter. So the Patreon is down below if you want to support, unlock those VIP premium benefits inside the Discord channel, which has over 20,000 people in it now. So really happy to see this one growing. Please do consider, you know, for this bull run, it's going to help you learn, educate, inspire, be creating ideas that should hopefully help you grow and succeed in the crypto markets. And also sign up to MEXC if you have not got an exchange. Tiny fees on this one right here. It's where I do all my trading. If you are a trader out there, want to trade the upcoming volatility, sign up to MEXC. Have a little look. The more you trade, the more bonuses you can potentially accumulate as well at the same time. So just flipping to the altcoin markets, what is going on? The state of play here. Stacks. That's one of the big pumpers today. We've got Axelar, Maker, Injective as well as DAI. So actually we're not really seeing too much go on right now. Really it's all just Bitcoin ETFs. You know, when's it going to happen? What's going to happen? People are holding, and I think it's actually a really risky market to be putting long and short positions in right now, because there's just too much uncertainty. Too much is hanging on the outcome of the ETFs right now. So do bear that in mind. A bit of other news, really. Market VIP update. We can see from Don Laguzzi, Bitcoin 44K, 50-50 situation. Big news on Wednesday. So Wednesday is the day to save. Approve or rejection at least is the end of the drama and stupid PA. You can see he's saying Bitcoin dominance continues to grow, already 54%. This has driven all alts down by 30% by the dips. So this is kind of interesting. His advice is do not hold many positions on futures. Yeah, I agree. Avoid a large number of assets purchased on spot. 70% cash, 30% in the market. Don't use high leverage. Each position must be under hard stop loss in case you get like completely wiped out under volatility, which could absolutely happen. Also, guys, quick update on the Bitcoin Mind Tricks ICO right here. $7.8 million raised for this coin. In 3 days, the price will go up once again. If you are looking to find a new platform which is tokenizing on cloud mining Bitcoin, you can check out the Bitcoin Mind Tricks ICO. The link is down below. It's a 10x potential cryptocurrency that has not yet launched, gone on DEX or centralized exchange, but in a few weeks it will be listing and going live. So it does look really, really cool. If you do like this sort of thing, the link is down below. Remember, it's not financial advice, but do your own research, as this coin is raising fast, especially with the, you know, the crypto markets flipping bullish. We also have a $30,000 mine drop, which is basically a big giveaway for 10 lucky winners of $3,000 each. So do have a little look at that one. Pretty cool, I must say so myself. Moving into some more news here, we can see, look at this lovely consolidation that we're seeing right here. But look, Bitcoin fluctuated due to various ETF fake news, but hodlers did not move. The price action over the past few days does not seem to have made much of an impression on investors who have endured the 2019-2022 cycle. So people that are already pretty bulletproof, emotionally resistant to these small moves in the market, you know, this is nothing. 10% to the down, Nothing. We've felt much worse, and trust me, last altcoin market was much more volatile than the downs that we've seen in this one. So yeah, to be fair, these dips aren't really feeling that painful. Look at this, the value of spot Bitcoin ETFs and total AUM. You can see here, all pending Bitcoin spot ETFs. Look at this, a total of 17 trillion. BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco, there's a few other big names there as well. So this is really, really big stuff overall for the crypto space. Keep your eyes peeled on this stuff, guys. I just thought I'd end on a bit of a high. SEC, the Bitcoin ETF is denied. Michael Saylor. Straight onto the judge. That is so bad. I saw this the other day. I feel so bad for that woman. I mean, how's that going to like win you the trial? You're literally attacking the one that is got your fate in their hands. Crazy, eh? Crazy. So that's a wrap, guys. Keep your eyes peeled on the market. Something is going to happen big. Don't put all your cash into the markets right now. Keep some on reserves because we don't know what the outcome is going to be. It's very, very much fundamental based right now rather than technicals. So let's see what happens. Remember, if you're new, subscribe, like, comment. Check out the Patreon down below if you do want to become a patron. We've got over 1,000 members here now. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now.